Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. So today in this video, we will discuss what are template literals in JavaScript. So first of all, we will start with the basic definition, which is template literals are modern way to create strings in JavaScript using backticks, and this is the sign of backtick instead of single or double quotes. And here we have some kind of operation which we can perform by using template literals. First one is multi-line string, and second one is string interpolation, and third one is embedded expression. And now we have basic syntax of template literals. We have a variable here, and we have console.log in which we have some kind of a string, and then we are using this variable by using dollar sign and then curly braces, and we have to define the name of this variable inside the curly braces, and here we have our output. We will learn features of template literals. So first one is string interpolation, embedded variables or expression of JavaScript. So first of all, we have two variable a or b, and we have console.log, and we are using sign of backtick, and then we have some kind of string which is the sum is, and then we are using this variable by using dollar sign and then curly braces, and inside the curly braces we have to define the name of this variable, and finally we have the output just because 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And now we have multi-line string. So in this example, we have a variable msg in which we have our string. So this is the first line of our string, and this is the second line of our string. And finally we have console.log, and we are trying to print this variable. So finally we have output just like this is line 1 and this is line 2. So this is called multi-line string by using template literals in JavaScript. So finally we have expression evolution. So first of all, we have this variable price in which we have 99. So finally we have console.log in which we have price with GST, and we have a expression of JavaScript in which we have price multiply with 1.18. So this expression will evaluate and becomes price GST with 116.82. So that's how we can expression evaluation by using template literals in JavaScript. And here we have some key notes, which is template literals always use backticks, and sign of dollar and curly braces is used for embedding JavaScript expression. So and here we have some interview related question. You can pause this video and read it out. And if you want to access this entire PDF, then I will provide you a Telegram channel link. You can download this PDF from there. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for further updates. Thanks.